Here are some do's and don'ts to perfect your spray texture application. Most pressure problems with texture spray are driven by a lack of shaking before application. Do shake the can for at least 1 full minute after heating the marble inside. Do not stop shaking just because you can hear the marble. Do not stop shaking even if you think the contents are mixed. If you're not getting enough texture definition or texture is runny, you may be spraying too close to the wall. Texture should be applied at least 12 inches from the wall. Texture spray should be applied in short intermittent bursts with random patterns, such as circular motions or left to right or up and down. It is harder to achieve texture match by applying continuously. When knocking down texture, make sure your putty knife is parallel to the wall, not perpendicular. A perpendicular knife will remove the texture. For finer texture, use straw. For heavier texture, do not use straw. It is better to build texture in layers if needed. For seamless texture repairs, trust DAP Spray Texture.